guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Zimezungu, and if it's your first time here, hello, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And if you're just someone passing by this video, you're welcome to. Please do press the subscribe button to be part of the family. As you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be showing you guys what's in my spray bottle. I have 4C hair and my hair is really dry, so for me to spray it, I prefer using water, but not only pure water. I mix my water with 3 different products which are very affordable, anyone can afford them. So what I use is this liquid booster hair oil. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it. So I use this liquid booster hair oil, which has Moroccan organ oil, amla oil, almond oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I really love this oil. I've been using it for the longest time now, and you can get this oil, I don't know if Kingz has it, but I got this for only 17 rands. And then I also use this conditioner. It's the Revlon conditioner aquamarine, and I use the Flavor Fresh Hab. It's really it smells nice, to be honest. It really smells nice. It smells like herbs. And then I use this Native Child, milk and honey moisture cream. I really love this cream. And then what I do is I take my spray bottle and then I add water in my bottle. I add water. I do not measure, do not have a certain measurement I have for my water, but I do not fill up the whole bottle with water. So I add water, this much, and then I add my oil. See, I do not have a certain measurement for this. I just pour until I feel like it's enough. So I added my oil, and then I add my conditioner. So I add my conditioner. So I've added my conditioner, and then I add my milk and honey moisture cream inside. Okay, I don't want to use too much on this because I also use it to moisturize my hair. Okay, and then I close the bottle. Make sure the lid is properly closed, and then I shake the bottle and mix it all together. Okay, still needs a little bit more shaking. Shake it till it creates like bubbles, and yeah, it's getting together. Okay, and that's it. This is what's inside my spray bottle, and then I start spraying my hair every time I want to achieve a certain hairstyle, or every time I want to braid my hair, or anytime I just want to do something to my hair. I always start with my spray bottle mixture. So that's it, guys. That is what's inside my spray bottle. You can use any product you like because our hair is not the same, so I wouldn't suggest you also use this same product I have. But because my hair is like kind of dry, it's really dry, it doesn't absorb the moisture. I've used a lot of creams, but then my hair, it really doesn't dry. So I have researched, and apparently my hair has low porosity, so it really kind of hard for it to absorb oh my god, to absorb moisture, like, you know. So I always prefer using this for my hair to be more moisturized. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more hair videos, please leave a comment down below. And also, if you also use this product, or you can share whatever products you use for your spray, for your hair spray bottle, especially for people with 4C hair, you can share your comment down below. And also you can also share this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Till we meet again, for now it's goodbye.